What's going on, guys? It's Mr. 707 back here with another video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's kind of cold outside, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So we're about to go to Auto and Aviation car show in Fremont, California. It's gonna be pretty cool because I think it's gonna be a lot of cool cars out there. So let's go ahead and get that cold start and head to Fremont. Wash my car because I haven't washed this in over almost 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and get that car wash real quick. So you guys know where I have to freaking go. That's the damn gas station. I was gonna put gas in this hoe. Damn 91. Thirsty hoe. Alright guys, let's go ahead and hit the road. Check out that wang. What is that? Y'all see the body kit? Oh my god, what is this? He's got stickers, extra horsepower. So we just pulled up. This dude got a nice Corvette. We about to get out. Everybody's still coming, getting checked in and stuff. But you see the corn. You guys see me. I'm hungry. All the food tents. But the Evo and the GTR pulling in. It's pretty clean. That wang. GTR. That wang. A whole line of cars pulling up. Everybody pulling up real quick. Whole gang. KJ Raps out here buying tacos, street tacos. Wrap it up, on my boy KJ Raps. I'm then they're about to leave because I'm actually really tired. It's a pretty little car show. Nice little cool cars came out and stuff. A lot of vendors out here with food. But it's a wrap for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Go down below, get your merch, Mr707clothing.com. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.